Let's start. Today we will see how to implement a list view with single item selection in Flutter Android. Let's see the main.dart file. First, we import the material.dart package. Then, we create the stateless widget called MyApp in the main function. This is the MyApp stateless widget. We create a material app and apply a theme in the build function. The home attribute is set to a stateful widget called MyHomePage. This is the MyHomePage stateful widget. Here we create a state object of this stateful widget, whose name is _MyHomePageState. This is _MyHomePageState class. Here we will design our app. First, we have a list of strings as a data member. Here we have a list of ABCD alphabets. We will use this list to populate the list view. Then we have a single item selection position variable, which is initially set to -1. We will use this variable to store the index of that element of the list view, which is selected by the user. In the build function, we have a scaffold widget upon which we will build other widgets. The app bar attribute is set to the app bar widget. We have used the title variable as the title of this app bar. The body attribute is set to the center widget. Inside that, we have a listview.builder widget. The item count is set to the number of items in the ABCD alphabet list. Inside the item builder, we design how an individual item of the list view would look like. First of all, we have a column widget. Inside that, we have used a gesture detector widget. It has a function called onTap. So whenever someone selects an item in the list view, we will update the variable with this index. Inside that, we have a container widget. The color attribute of this widget is set by a function called setColor, which decides the item's color when it is clicked and unclicked. Then we have a text widget, which acts as the single item of the list view. Below that, we have a divider widget, which acts as a line separation between two elements of the list view. This is the setColor function. Here we check which item of the list view is selected by the user, we color it blue. And we color the other items white. Let's run the app. So that's it. That's how you can create a list view with a single item selection in Flutter Android. Thank you.